What is going on, folks? In this video, Kimberly is going to share a video about a web service called Creatopia. And Creatopia allows you to maximize your creativity with the right tools. Before I get there, I have a burning question that I have always asked myself. Do you care more about what other people think than what you think? There was a time when I told myself I couldn't reach a certain goal because someone told me I couldn't. How many times did you stop yourself from doing something because someone told you you couldn't? And how many times did you accept that you couldn't? I was here before. I started doing affiliate marketing in 2019, and during that period I did it alone. I had little to no results, and I was so down at the time. I realized later that the people I was learning from only knew how to make money in the short term. They never showed me how to make a steady income over time, and it makes sense to me they have never done it themselves. It made sense to me because I started selling low-ticket clickbank products and earned a little bit of money, as little as $40, even though I spent hundreds of dollars running ads. All of this happened because I did everything myself and used free videos I found on YouTube and online communities to educate myself. Fortunately, I met someone who taught me about high-ticket products and all the things I was doing wrong through the introduction of the system she used. If you know what I'm talking about and may have possibly gone through a similar experience, then I would like to give you a way to skip past all that accumulated frustration and anger and go straight to the part that allows you to make high profits and a sustainable income online. You can use the same system I used to get started. So in this system, they have a $7 product, which is called the 15-day challenge. And the 15-day challenge with Dave teaches you how to create a high-profit, high-paying affiliate marketing business, reveals the 4 core business models, and also shows you how to establish a solid foundation to begin making money with your online business. All thanks to Dave. So Dave is Dave Sharp, and he is the founder of Legendary Marketer. So Dave is a 8-figure earner and a marketing genius, but also an excellent teacher. So he guides you through beginner-friendly steps so you can start making money as soon as possible, even if you have 0 experience. I took the 15-day challenge myself and was finally able to learn how to create a profitable online affiliate marketing business. But of course, I didn't have any success right away. It took a while before I got my first sale. So you will have to be prepared to spend some time with this before you get any sales. And it has to do with building your audience. So you learn how to build your audience using different platforms. I hope that makes sense. The best part of this course is that it only requires a one-time payment of $7 and you get a lifetime access. Anyway, I will introduce you to Kimberly that will read you Maximize Your Creativity with the Right Tools. And this is a web service called Creatopia. No, Creatopia. Creatopia is right.
Thank you, Anders. Creatopia is a complete set of tools made to make content makers' workflows more efficient. Dear Fair, I'm incredibly happy to introduce Creatopia, my first YouTube project. Superus created the website Creatopia with the express purpose of assisting creators and creatives in streamlining their processes and increasing productivity. It serves as a one-stop shop for all the crucial tools required for a creator's workflow, including features for gathering, organizing, designing, and expressing their original ideas. Whether you're a designer, artist, photographer, or freelancer, Creatopia has all the resources you need to advance your creative endeavors. Creators frequently have intricate processes that call for them to gather and arrange the data and materials needed for their projects, develop the components that will give them life, and then communicate their ideas. The code, collect, organize, design, and express process might be difficult for creators, but with the correct resources and perseverance, the results can be extremely satisfying. Understanding how to effectively handle each of these processes can significantly improve their initiatives. Alright. Over to you, Anders.
Nice video clip, Kimberly. Thanks for sharing. Someone helped me understand why coaching people is actually the best way to develop a freedom-based lifestyle. That knowledge gave me new energy when I first started out in 2019, and I started this YouTube channel and become a YouTube influencer. Previously, I had massive failure, so this direction gave me a new spark of light. Because there is so much misinformation out there, when you start coaching people and help them understand the concepts, they begin to understand how to use the proper strategy in their business. So that person that helped me recommended me to use the same solution she did in 2019, and so I did. And the training I received just blew me away. It was a huge help because I could compare what I did wrong and things started to make sense. The earning potential with the high-ticket products and how things were set up was just mind-blowing. It all made sense. All I had to do was dive into the education and not wait until I was satisfied. I had to push out content right off the bat. Just learning something new, knowing that there has to be other people out there that didn't know this, didn't have access to that information as well, or didn't know what it was. That is how I can coach people to the solution that is the heart of my business. I will put a link in the description if you want to look into it. Invest in yourself and decide to do something that your future self will thank you for. Anyway, if you found this video useful, please like it. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification to be notified when I upload another video. Stay awesome, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.